Hey everyone, today we are going to write down the HTML program to create a web page using different formatting tags. So in HTML there are 8 or 10 formatting tags are given. As you know, HTML is used to create a simple plain text document, and to format this document little bit we can use these formatting tags. If you want to format our document in advanced level, then you can also use the CSS. But in today's lecture, we are going to write down the program using different formatting tags in HTML. Okay, so here first I open Notepad++ software to write down the program. You can use any of the text editor. Now first save the file. So go to file, then save as. Now I am going to save the file on desktop. Let's name the file as, for example, formatting.html. As we are going to write down the program in HTML, so the extension is HTML. Now save the file. Okay, so first I am going to write down the basic structure of HTML document as we discussed in the last lecture. So the first tag in HTML is HTML tag, then there is a head tag. After that there is a title tag. Now write down the title as, for example, formatting tags in HTML. Then close the title tag. After that close the head tag. Then open the body tag. After that close the body tag and then close HTML tag. Okay, so this is the basic structure of every HTML document. Now if you want to write down something or to display something on the web page, then just write down inside the body tag. Okay, so here close the title tag. Okay, now save the program and let's run it. Okay, as you can see, this is a blank document because we didn't write down anything inside the body tag yet. So this is our file, that is a formatting.html, and here is a title, formatting tags in HTML. Now let's write down the formatting tags in HTML. So let's start with the most important tag, that is a bold tag. That is a inside angular bracket there is a B, that is a bold tag in HTML. Okay, so whatever content you have to bold in your web page, write down it inside the bold tag. For example, here I am going to write down the text. For example, this is a bold text. Okay, then close the bold tag. Then the second tag, like as a bold tag, is a strong tag. Both bold and strong tag are same, which is used to display the content in a bold format, which is used to display the very important content. So inside the strong tag, let's write down this text is important. Then close the strong tag. Now let's save the program and refresh the web page. Okay, so this is a text which we write down inside the bold tag, and this is a text which we write down inside the strong tag. Okay, now let's write down here the BR tag to separate the text. Okay, again save the program and refresh the web page. Okay, so this is a text which we write down inside bold tag, and this is a text which we write down inside the strong tag. Both are looking very similar, but the difference between the bold tag and strong tag is the HTML bold element defines bold text without any extra importance, and the HTML strong element or the HTML strong tag defines the text with strong importance. Now the next tag is the italic tag, and then close this as like this. Then the next tag which we use to again make the text italic is EM tag. EM means emphasize tag. Okay, so again the text which we are going to display as a in italic format, write down it inside this italic tag, the opening I, closing I, or the opening emphasize tag or closing emphasize. Now let's write down something here. For example, this text is italic, and here write down this text is emphasize. Write down the BR tag to separate all the text. Okay, now save the program and let's run it. Okay, so this is a text which is written inside the italic tag, and this is a text which is written inside the EM tag, that is the emphasize tag. Now again both the text looks similar. both the tags, that is the italic tag and emphasize tag, both the tags display the content in italic form. Okay, so the next formatting tag is a small tag. Here is a opening small tag and then closing small tag. Now write down inside this small tag, write down anything. For example, this is a smaller text. Okay, now save the program, again refresh the web page. Okay, as you can see, the text which is written inside the small tag looks smaller than other text. So the HTML small element or the HTML small tag defines the smaller text. Okay, the next important HTML formatting tag is a mark. So here write down the opening mark tag and closing mark tag. Now inside this mark tag write down something. For example, this is a highlighted text. Okay, so the mark element or the mark tag in HTML defines the text that should be marked or highlighted. Means if we want to highlight some of the text in our web page, then write down that text inside the mark tag, the opening mark tag and closing mark tag. Now let's see the results. Okay, so this is the output. This is a highlighted text. As you can see, the content which we write down inside the mark tag is highlighted or be marked. Now the next formatting tag in HTML is a delete tag. So the delete tag in HTML will be write down as inside angular bracket del, delete. As it has an opening tag, it has also a closing tag. Now write down inside this delete tag, write down something. For example, suppose here I use the paragraph tag, then here close the paragraph tag. Okay, now write down something. My favorite color is, inside the delete tag write down black, and outside this delete tag write down, for example, pink. Okay, so inside the paragraph tag we write down my favorite color is, and inside the delete tag we write down the color as black, and outside the delete tag we write down pink. Now let's see the output. Okay, so as you can see, my favorite color is, this content we write down inside the paragraph tag, and this word, that is a black, we write down inside the delete tag. So it is deleted, means there is a vertical line at the text and this content is write down inside the paragraph tag. So this is a delete tag in HTML. So the HTML delete element defines the text that has been deleted from a document. So browser will automatically or usually strike a line through a deleted text. Okay, now let's see the another formatting tag in HTML. Again write down the BR tag. The next formatting tag in HTML is a INS, means the inserted text. Okay, so again we are going to write down the content inside the paragraph tag. Write down the same statement. For example, my favorite color is, write down for example red, and here close the paragraph tag. Okay, save the program and refresh the page. So here is the output. My favorite color is, and this red word is written inside the insert tag. So the HTML insert element or HTML insert tag defines a text that has been inserted into a document, and browser will usually underline inserted text. Means the text which we write down inside the inserted text tag is underlined. So here the text, that is the word red, we write down inside the inserted tag, so it is underlined. There is another tag in HTML, that is a underline tag. So write down the underline tag as in opening angular bracket closing angular bracket U, and here write down something. This is underline text, and then close the underline tag. Now save the program and refresh the page. Okay, so this is a underline text. So bold, italic and underline are the basic formatting tags of HTML. Okay, the next tag in HTML is a subscript and superscript tag. So here I am going to write down the paragraph. Write down something. For example, I am going to write down the formula of water. So the formula of water is H2O. In this H2O, here the two appears half a character below a normal line. So that's why here we use a subscript tag. So in paragraph tag, let's write down first the H, then there is a 2 which is half a line below a normal line. So write down it inside a subscript tag, that is a in angular bracket sub sub tag. So here write down 2, then close the subscript tag and then write down O and then close the paragraph tag. Okay, so the content inside the subscript tag appears half a character below a normal line and the other content display as a normal text. Now again save the program and refresh the page. Okay, so this is the output. Here H and O appears as a normal text and 2 which we write inside the subscript tag appears half a line below a normal line. Okay, the next tag the last formatting tag of HTML is a superscript tag. So again I am going to write down the paragraph tag. Content which we write down inside the superscript tag appears half above the normal line. So for example, if we want to display the 10th, so here write down 10 inside the paragraph tag and then the text which we want to display half a character above a normal line, write down it inside a superscript tag. So here write down sup and here th, then close the superscript tag and then close the paragraph tag. Now let's save the program and refresh the web page. Okay, so this is the output. So these are the some of the most important formatting tags in HTML. The first important tag is a bold. The tag which is similar to bold is a strong tag. Then there is a italic tag. The tag which is similar to italic is a emphasize tag in angular bracket EM. Then there is a small tag. Suppose if we want to display the text smaller than the normal text, then write down that text inside the small tag. Then there is a mark tag. Suppose if we want to highlight some of the text in our web page, then write down that text inside a mark tag. Then there is a delete tag. Then the next tag is a insert tag and there is another tag in HTML, that is a underline tag. Then the two most important tags in HTML are subscript and superscript. So these are some of the 8 to 10 formatting tags of HTML. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this topic or any other topic, then let me know in the comment section.